Hey there. Welcome back to another journey of self-discovery and healing. Today, I want to talk about something deeply personal and transformative: healing from abandonment. Whether you felt abandoned by your mother, your father, or both, it's an experience that leaves a mark. But I want you to know you are not alone. Nature and the universe are here to support you. Imagine yourself standing in a lush forest, surrounded by towering trees and the gentle whispers of the wind. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Feel the ground beneath you. That's Mother Nature holding you, comforting you, and reminding you that you belong. She nurtures every living thing, and you are no exception. The rustling leaves, the birds singing, the streams flowing, they all echo the same truth. You are loved and cared for. Now, look up at the sky. The vast, infinite expanse of the universe stretches out before you. The stars, the planets, the galaxies, they are all part of something greater, something magnificent. The universe is your father, guiding you, protecting you, and showing you the way. When you feel lost or alone, remember that you are part of this cosmic dance, and the universe holds you in its embrace. Healing from abandonment is a journey, and it starts with acceptance. Accepting that your true parents are not just the ones who brought you into this world, but the forces that sustain you every day. Reflect on the strength and resilience you've gained through your experiences. Each step you take, each breath you breathe is a testament to your courage and your will to thrive. Take a moment to connect with nature. Go for a walk in the park, sit by the ocean, or hike up a mountain. Let Mother Nature's beauty and calm wash over you. Feel her presence in the blooming flowers, the towering trees, and the gentle breeze. Let her remind you that you're never truly alone. And at night, when the sky is clear, look up at the stars. Feel the universe's vastness and its mysteries. Know that you are part of something grand and beautiful. The universe is your guiding light, always there to lead you towards your highest self. Remember, healing takes time. Be patient with yourself, be kind to yourself, embrace the love and support that nature and the universe offer you. You are worthy, you're cherished, and you are never alone. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found this message helpful, please like and share this video with others who might need to hear it. Until next time, stay connected, stay inspired, and keep embracing the love around you. Take care.